Are you looking for a cost-effective way to grow your business? Did you know that email marketing has an average ROI of $36 for every dollar spent? That's right. For every dollar you invest, you could earn a return of $36. And if you want to maximize your ROI, targeted and list segmented emails are the way to go. In fact, they drive 36% of all email marketing ROI. Hi everyone, welcome back to The Local Marketer, the channel dedicated to helping small businesses grow in their local communities. I'm Angela Bell, your trusted guide to all things modern marketing. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to create a lead magnet to build your small business email list. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to creating a lead magnet that attracts new customers, builds your email list, and ultimately grows your local business. As a small business owner, you may not have much experience with online advertising, and you may have limited time and money to spend on marketing. But don't worry, creating a lead magnet is cost-effective and an efficient way to attract new customers and grow your business. Creating an effective lead magnet can be a game changer for your business. There are many different types of lead magnets that you can use, such as ebooks, checklists, webinars, and quizzes, just to name a few. Each of these formats can be tailored to your targeted audience's interests and needs, providing them with valuable content and establishing your authority in your industry. The key is to choose a format that resonates with your audience and delivers value that will encourage them to take the next step in their customer journey. So here's how you can create a lead magnet that works best for your business. The first step in creating an effective lead magnet is identifying your target audience. So who are your ideal customers and what are their pain points and their needs? You need to understand their demographics, interests, and behaviors. This will help you create a lead magnet that is relevant and useful to them. Conduct market research, analyze customer feedback, and use analytics to get a better understanding of your target audience. So once you have a good understanding of your target audience, you can choose a format for your lead magnet that will resonate with them. You could create an ebook, a white paper, a checklist, webinar, a video, a quiz, or a free trial. Consider what type of content your target audience consumes and what format will be most appealing to them. Step 3, create your lead magnet. So once you've chosen a format for your lead magnet, it's time to create it. So use your expertise and creativity to craft a high-quality piece of content that provides value to your audience. Ensure that your lead magnet is easy to read, visually appealing, and provides actionable insights. Use compelling headlines and subheadlines, and include images or videos to make it more engaging. After you've created your lead magnet, it's time to promote it. Use social media, your website, and other channels to drive traffic to your lead magnet landing page. Create a dedicated landing page that highlights the benefits of your lead magnet and includes a clear call to action. Use paid advertising as necessary to reach a wider audience. So once someone downloads your lead magnet, they become a lead. Use email marketing to nurture your new leads, build relationships, and ultimately drive more sales for your business. Send a welcome email, provide additional resources, and offer exclusive deals or discounts. Use email automation to keep your subscribers engaged and follow up regularly to keep your business top of mind. There are a few additional tips to consider when creating a lead magnet to build your small business email list. When creating your lead magnet, focus on solving a problem that your target audience is facing. This will make your lead magnet more valuable and increase the chances of people opting in to receive it. Your lead magnet doesn't have to be complicated or lengthy to be effective. In fact, a short, to-the-point lead magnet can often be more attractive to busy professionals who don't have a lot of time to read or watch content. Visuals can make a big difference in the perceived value of your lead magnet. Use high-quality images, videos, and graphics to make your lead magnet more visually appealing and engaging. Don't be afraid to test different lead magnet formats and content to see what works best for your business. Use analytics and feedback from your audience to refine your approach and create even more effective lead magnets over time. And there you have it, a simple yet effective strategy for creating a lead magnet that builds your email list and grows your local business. By following these 5 steps, you can create a lead magnet that is relevant and useful to your target audience, promote it effectively, and ultimately turn your leads into customers. The key is to provide value to your audience and build a relationship with them through effective communication. And remember, small steps lead to big wins. Keep taking those steps and growing your local business. Don't forget to like and subscribe to The Local Marketer for more tips and tricks on how to grow your small business.